Nice. Do it. Let's do it now. Okay. So, what are we doing today, guys? I've been working this project for some time already, and by now you probably know it already. So we are working on this project, which is my database, right? The non-database. It's a real-time database. We pretty much work on this data replication like feature, and there are a lot of effectors in this branch already. I am not ready to merge these at all, but by now I have some. Let me split my screen. I have some tests, or I have this bash. There's a script which is a SH script where I use to test some stuff. I create some database, start through process, create a cluster, force force the election here. I don't have the leader election algorithm yet implemented, so that's something we may do or may try to do today. And I will use this to make sure the things I'm gonna do today will not break anything. It's hard from like a unit test perspective to test this multi-process in the same machine, and my goal is to make the code look better today. I've been making it work despite of looking good or not. So I end up having some codes like this, you know, this shit. And every change I would do, I'll call here and I will run this test and make sure all my unit tests and also this replication test pass. So and this test is simple, but it at least proves that I did not mess it up like dramatically with my thing, right? So and let me just show this test. Create the cluster, force the election of the leader, then create some database, you know, still creating the cluster, then change the cluster primary, create database, then I loop through 1 to 20 doing some posts. I post to primary, I check the both secondaries if the values match. If they match, I move forward. So it's not an aggressive test. It's not meant to be like load test or anything like that. It's just to make sure it's working, okay? So first thing I will do is maybe this is the commands I replicate, like create database, snapshot, set value. Not what the command needs to be replicated at all. Start replicate. Like this code right here, this is very ugly, and I don't even know how did I end up having this shit here. So let's first understand what it does, and I will start refactoring it to get this. how. The first thing, this is a single thread, right? And it is the split. I call it from master, from main, right? From my main Rust, and there we go. So here I have like one thread running from my main project, and here I have a receiver in an instance of my databases, and the only thing that's this thread, yeah, the only thing this thread does is to create new threads that will like connect to the other computers in the cluster. So let's start commenting that. So this is something important. Nice. And so, yeah, this function will wait for requests to create new connections to the new cluster members. Okay, members. So that's what it does. And as you guys can see, I receive a receiver, and this receiver is passed through this receiver, like replication receiver. And once I receive that, so I read try next. That will result on a string, right? It's a string replicator, like string receiver. And so I get this database, I log database stage, and I go to each member. And if the member is a secondary, I will member sender clone. I will send the message to the. Oh, okay, so now I got it. I remembered it now. So what is this? So once I receive a message for this, actually this is not the start application thread. Oh no, it is. So this is the one that did not create a new connection. It replicates. So the idea of this is that I have a receiver, like a unified receiver, and from here I replicate it to the multiple in the cluster, right? And why do I have this like unified receiver? Because I don't want to like several parts on my code sending messages like to different clusters. So I have this guy, they send, and I got that message and I replicate to the ones I hear. So how can we start making these better? What do I do? If this is pretty much. First of all, I have a loop. This is expected because I do this like all the time, right? Never stop doing it. It's a while true, and match. Yeah, I can hide all this complexity inside a different method that will give me some little bit better code, right? Because if none is actually not an option here, none is not an option here, to be fair. It's always going to be something. So this is the important part, and what I will do is I'll create a function, and that function will be how do I call that? I have a name for that kind of things already. I kind of have them here. Apply. Nice. So here my idea is I will get hold on. I'll do this for an hour and then let's do a little stop. So and never call, that's what it's showing here. And so here I will message, which will be a string. Okay, string, and a database, which I think it's all I need here. They check it from there. So here I can delete this thing. And I will now no longer need this key here, and I will call apply function. Oh wow, this is the worst name ever for DBS. Okay. I need to borrow it. I don't know. I do not want to move this thing, right? Can I get a reference? How do I? Right. So let me give a name. No, I'll call this replicate message to secondary. Just see if someone. Yeah, looks secondary, and then see if I broke something. Guys, you probably already noticed, but I use tmux. Here I run the test. Here I have log for one of the process. Here for the second process. So compiled. Killing one of them. I'm doing this failure test as well. Succeed, okay. Nice. So no break. This is a little bit better already. Um, do I need to clone this? I don't think I do. Got pre. Got. Then I lock the cluster stage, then I lock the cluster members, then I do that, and then one thing I would like to understand is this and members. Temporary dropped while borrow. I cannot do that. This will be best because we leak one temporary member there. We can do this way or that way. So I don't know if I need both these logs, but let's see. Oh, nice. So in here, let me show you guys this. The idea here is that, like, for the cluster members, the thing there is an option. So maybe there is no thing there. So this is what is there. So what I need to do, maybe what I can do is I want this to be more expressive, so I'll create a function which is called replicate if sum. And it will receive an option with a sender of string and apt sender, right? And the message is and the message can be like that, it can be like that. Okay, and what I need is this sum on this. Okay, I need this all match. And so member sender clone. So the idea here is the apt sender applicative secondary. So applicative sum. Yeah, the name is horrible again. I'll change the name. Member dot sender. Yeah, this even doesn't make sense if that is not right. Here is the name, place to specs. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see. Like the Rust Analyzer, it's a pretty cool tool. If it tells you it's gonna work, it's probably going to compile. Nice. And applicative something. If if what the hell? I don't know how to call this. Yeah, let it that name. The idea here is will replicate. Print. Okay. And now the code looks a little bit better. Prove this because this cannot happen. Nice. So at least now I got rid of that shitty coach. Back to this. That code is much better. Let's keep navigating here. So yeah, this is the one I was mentioning. This is the thread, which is also called in the start, right? Yes, and the job for this thread is to create other threads, and like I send you a message saying, well, this guy is coming to the cluster, and I use it to create a new thread and set the cluster's members, so on and so forth. It also became huge. Check that out. Wow, this is a how much is that? A 138 line, like function line. I don't think I will reuse too much of the code here, but it's clearly doing too much, and I totally can do better. Let's see how. Starting from documenting this. This function start. What is this? Hmm? Okay. the idea is that for each member of my cluster, I'll have a separate thread, a sender, and so to replicate. So if one of them die, that will not implicate in touching the others. Yeah, maybe that's not cool because it uses more memory, more control, but worth doing because like if one of them are also like slow to receive things, to process, to to react to my messages, that will not implicate in slowing down the rest of the cluster. So, and the goal for this, I also receive a receiver which is unique. That receiver is is used on the loop thread for my database, and I use it like it receives a message, and this message pretty much means replicate message. This is not replicate message. This is a start replicate message, okay? And replicate message. And the replicate message pretty much is a let me try to document this. It's a kind of it's similarly with the language I use externally. So for example, one command I can have here, it can be, I don't know by heart. Let me see this command string, like secondary, for example. There we go. Secondary, and I can do that. No, join. It's going to be here. The join. Right? Oh, not here, not here. It's in the process request. Join here. So we send like secondary in the name. So one of the process will be like secondary some server slash 1312, like this, for example. And it can be primary. So the idea here is like kind, right? Kind space name. That's the way name slash port. This is how things gonna get here. Why it's not liking my comments? Maybe I should put it here. Application stats in there. I like using strings for this because strings is simple. It's kind of tricky because you need to create this kind of patterns, right? But strings are serializable. Start application. And here I expect always to come as true, so that's kind of expected. I'll get my user database and could unlock, and I create a sender for that. And yeah, so I grab the command. This is all preparation for what's to come. And here I will loop. Yeah. Oh, what happened? Have I dropped? Am I on, guys? Hello? Hello? Hmm. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Oh, there I am. Okay, so here, yeah, this preparation is kind of big as well, so later I will try to reduce this preparation work. The first thing I do is to notify the members in the cluster about the new member. Okay, and hold on, let me just use the opportunity to add more music on this. How's the music? Too much. No, that's fine. Okay, let it be that way. And what is this? Okay. So here I notify. Okay, so I can put this in a different function, right? That's what I'm gonna do, and I'll call it notify other members. Right? What am I going to need? On the members. Let's see what we're gonna need. I don't even know which kind is these members. What's the type for them? I need the sender. I'll need a sender. Do I need a sender? I do. Oh no, so sender of string notify. So this is a different method. Notify the new member about the horrible or change stage. Okay, and now we need the members. If I'm not mistaken, it will be a vector of cluster member. Everything is a right. Name. This music gets me excited. right? And it's horrible to pick here, guys. If this is not too weird, I'll keep my keyboard here. How I am. There we go. Much better. Okay, that's fine. This freaky shit. Yes. So now I need 3 parameters. One sender, right? Sender. Okay. Members. Is this all correct? Yes. Oh. Expected. Okay. Let's not go too far. We may have already break something. Ah, it's getting late fast. Compiled. First subset of tests best. This is gonna work. Nice. So now secondary. Now this is going to be fun. I think I can call the function like this. And I think I will do the same. Not sure if I will need all of that, but at least I'll need these 3 guys for sure. Do I need to clone it here? Not sure. TCP address. Oh, crap. This is a piece of shit. Databases. Look the amount of parameters I need for this function. Informados. Wow. Do I use this thing at all? I do. I use it in the primary. I won't pass this. Steady state maybe. See, I don't even need that. Let's see what else is broke. Only the guards now. And the guards are... What are the guards? The guards are a VEC. I don't actually need the guards, do I? Oh, he already did this. Oh, do I? I lost. I'm lost. Name. Explicit lifetime required for name static. Explicit lifetime of receiver. Crap. Come on. I fixed that. It's getting cold here. What the fuck is this shit? Receiver. I cloned receiver, dude. Receiver. You see, now is the time I start. Like, Rust start to hit me in the face. And 1 hour later, I will be sweating miserable trying to fix this. Wow. I'm lost. Let's undo. There we go. Are we back to working? Yes. So now try to go easy on this function because I got lost like way too fast. This is the first thing I will migrate. This will require sender as a sender. And name. Okay. right? Oh crap! Oh, please. No. I already lost. Oh, that's it. Yeah, no, that's correct. Okay, nice. No, these will be pretty tricky. Already. Because members, I have to borrow members. Because members will be a vector of cluster members, and I don't want to control this guy. Okay, so now this can also go there. What's this? Eight January. Can't eat. What if I call it this up? Mutable reference, huh? These will bring me problems. I already know. What is members? Looks like members is a mutex. Is it? Oh, it's a mutex of, yeah. Wow. Fuck up here. So that actually maybe helps. Right? A mutex. Huh. Hold on. Stupid me. That's not. Why? Why would you find some mutable reference of the value inside the mutex? That is not. Yeah, that will work. Huh. Cool. What the fuck? Why is this needed now? I Oh. Mm. Where is the cluster stage? May I borrow this? Things are getting interesting. Now we are getting to the problematic space, you see, guys? Oh. The real problems start when you need to share data with another thread. And up to this point, I believe we have done a good job. This should be working. What is happening? Oops. What come after the election? The election. Election. Switch party. Here. Supposed to have a two joins. The join looks like not succeeded. Put on some feedbacks here. Let me see what is actually. The cluster state never returns? That doesn't make any sense. Huh. I probably caused just deadlock. Right? That easy? Really? Probably because of this guy? No. Yeah, something to do with that. I knew this wouldn't be a good idea. I kinda locky under a lock. Oh, I don't know. Why do I need to do the member? I need to do this. Yeah. I don't know. That idea doesn't sound that stupid. It just doesn't work. There we go, deadlock. Right. Let's see this. We've reached an hour. I am not even close to be getting to the end of this. If I can, I will postpone this problem to another hour. No, that doesn't make sense. I'll do the same thing but in different place. That. But now not hit turn. There is no hit turn. Old members. Right. This will attack. Just the members. Interesting way of solving that. Cool. Nice. I think I'll call this success for the day. And I will commit. Which function did I? Good times indeed, guys. Well, I think that will be it for the day. Kinda cool in the end. So